Costco ESS Employee Login. Hello everyone and welcome to the channel once again. Today I'll be showing you some simple steps via which you can log into your Costco ESS Employee account. So without any further ado, let's get on with the video. After opening your Google Chrome browser, go to the search bar and type in Costco ESS Login. When you search for it, the first result that appears is your answer. Simply tap on it and the website will open up. Here you can see the option for Employee Self-Service, and under there are options such as Current Employee Login, registering a new account, and Former Employee Login. So depending upon if you're a current employee, a former employee, or if you just want to open your new account, tap on the respective options. Here I've opened the Current Employee option, and as you can see, it will ask for the username and password. Also, it says that the employers and alumni has to use their Costco account, while the vendors and suppliers have to use their email address. Also, if you're having trouble signing in, you can see that there's an option there which will help you reset your password. So if you did forget it, just press on the trouble signing in option. But if you haven't, just type in the username and the password and press the sign in option. And there you go. That is how you log into your Costco ESS employee account. If you'd like to see more videos like this one, please consider subscribing to the channel.